Manani Maswati lamahle. Ligama lami Nonhlelelwa Matsebula. I think most of you have seen me trending for the past 48 hours, like social media for the wrong reasons. Kusho ukuthi yabo kuliqiniso eminyakeni lendlulile ngilahlekelwa yi-passport yami. Then ngayipfukela nje sengiyibona like social media linked to a crime that I know of and a woman I have never seen. So loko kungifusile kakhulu cause the negativity lebeqhamuka la kulama comments, the angry comments from people kuba buhlungu kakhulu, especially for me ne family yami. Mina nje kakhulu kade kungitraumatize kakhulu. I'm still like trying to mouth everything nje ke. Kopha-ke ngivete ukuthi ngibe sengiyahamba ngiya emaphoyiseni itolo ngiyobuta ukuthi imvule kanjena ngambe kumbe uenda njani nawutikhanza in between such a case, you know, nekuthi ngisizakala kanjani because ngimcoka ngako mina right now ukuthi ngithole the closure yako konke, clarify ke ukuthi okay ngibani lo ngibani, because bese kungasadeki mina as mistaken for this woman lengamati nekma. So all in all ngishaqekile, umndeni wami ulimele emoyeni, engqondweni. Kwesanami ngise shock. Kopha-ke ngingajabula ukuthi ngithole i-closure yako konke lokho, and ngive ukuthi ekugcineni kwako konke i-legal documents yami ngidayithola kanjani. How do I get my legal document back when they are done with their investigation? Of course, bamfu bemthetho. So cishe ngiloko Maswati lamahle. Ngiyaxolisa kakhulu ukuthi bese nifukile ukuthi liswati lakini lingenda njani imvule kanjena, and bengithi nje ngicacise lokho ngenda that clarification ukuthi cha, Maswati akehlise emaphaphu. Ngimi lo Nonhlelelwa, hayi lo yasisi loya lo vele kule post le be-viral. So ngiyabonga kakhulu Maswati lamahle. Thank you so much. Ngiyabonga nakulabo be supportive throughout. Much appreciated. Thank you so much.